What's going on, everybody? It is Matthew, otherwise known as AsMatt, coming with you for another opening. I actually sent my wife to go to Walmart to pick it up because they finally had some Guardian Rising stuff. So these two packs are actually gonna be hers. She chose this out for her, but she's letting me open it. She collects every once in a while, but she plays with me. I tried to teach her. So these two are gonna be her pulls, and then she got me this Tapu Koko figure collection box, which comes with 2 Guardian Rising packs, a Steam Siege, and a normal Sun and Moon, and a little figurine. So we're just gonna open this right now. Alrighty. So actually, I'm gonna open hers first. Let's open hers first. See what she gets. What you think you're gonna get some good? No. Alright, so she got these 2 packs. Let's go ahead and open them. That's the code. I think it's 4 from the back. 4 from the back. Energy, Graveler. Give me 1 second. I'm going to try to focus the camera. Alright, sorry about that. I had to focus the camera. Wait, we really? Altar of the Sun, Altar of the Moon. Okay. A Lowland Geodude. Machop. A Trubbish. Petalil. A Chansey. She got an Alolan Graveler foil. I think we had got the Golem. And her rare is Probopass. The Graveler looks pretty cool. Probopass is not so great. So that's her first pack. Her second pack. That's the code. 2, 3, 4. You know, from everybody says that you get really good pulls from this set. So far, I didn't get anything. Energy, Sliggoo, a Beware, Whimsicott, Vanillet, Gligar, Litwick, Clefairy, Tentacool, a foil Machamp, which is actually really cool. And then I have no clue what this thing is. Oricorio. That is the rare, and it looks retarded. It doesn't look cool. I don't like this card at all. So those were my 2 ice cards. Well, packs. Are you satisfied with your packs? She said she's satisfied. She got a cute Oricorio thing. So let's open this thing now. Oh. Goodness. Alrighty, so it comes with, of course, the promo card, Tapu Koko. Looks really awesome with his shield and everything. Then it comes with the Tapu Koko figure, which we're just gonna set back there for now because this is my first figure. He doesn't stand up too good. Oh, look at that. There's a clear thing to stand up on. There we go. Problem solved. I'm going to stand up later. The code. And we're going to open the older packs first. And we're going to keep the Guardians Rising for later. So let's open Steam Siege first. I think this one's 3 from the back. There's a code. 2, 3. Lampet. Ambipom. Flaffy. Fungus. Bergamite. A Mareep. Clink. Seedot. A foil armor fossil Sheldon, which is cool, and a normal primate. We are so bad right now. We've got some terrible pulls. Next pack, Sun and Moon. Let's hope our luck changes. One, 2, 3. Pokeball. Everybody needs one of those. Pelipper. A Repel. An Eevee, but it looks... Something's wrong with that Eevee. The picture. Something's wrong, terribly wrong with that Eevee. A Dewpider. I've never seen that Pokemon. Poliwag. Paris. Chinchou. Reverse Zubat. Cosmium. I mean, I don't like it. Okay, I should just stop doing this. This is terrible. We're getting so bad packs. So let's open these 2 Guardians Rising and hope our luck changes. Let's hope we get that gold energy, which probably will never happen. 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy. Hala Trainer. Glalie. Weepinbell. A Wishy-Washy. I like that name. A Goomy. It looks sewn together. Look at that. It's like a little doll. A Wimpod. Or Wimpod. Jangmo. Oh. A Trubbish. Poor little trash can. A Swellow. That looks pretty cool. And then a foil Delmus. So we got 2 rare foils just now. That's a little bit better. Still not perfect. No EXs or anything like they say. There's a bunch of EXs in this set. More than any other set they ever made. And I've yet to pull one, I think. So this is the last pack. Oh my god, I can't even pull it out the pack like that. These packs come with extra cards in them. So it's a little bit harder. Three, 4. Let me throw that pack away. Alright, last pack. Let's do this. Energy. A Weepinbell. Altar of the Moon. Mullow. Jangmo-O. That's literally what it's called, Jangmo-O. A Wishy-Washy. They have some legit names. A Delibird. A Mudbray. Slowpoke. A Foil Stuffle. And, oh my god, a Sharpedo. This has to be the most fail opening I've ever seen. So to recap, we got a normal Sharpedo. A Foil Stuffle. A Delmice. Foil. Swellow. Foil. Cosmion, normal, Zubat, Primate, Armor Fossil, of course the Tapu Koko. Whatever this thing is, I'm still so confused. How is this rare? Look at that, it's rare. So confused. Foil Machamp, which is that's pretty cool, and then the Growler is cool because I like Growler. So overall, not the best, but we did get a little figure that we should try to stand up right now. Let's see. I've never tried to stand one of these things up. So I'm guessing it goes like this. And this goes into this behind side. Oh god, this is gonna be a challenge. Go into the Pokemon. Alright. So I can't do this. So this is gonna wait till later. But thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I hope to see you next time.